Hi everybody, I'm Emily,
My name's Isley.
and today we're going to make a really easy bird seed feeder. The supplies that you need are toilet paper roll or a cut up paper towel roll, bird seed, a string to hang it from, either peanut butter or sunflower seed butter,
Knife.
knife to spread it, and a plate to put your seeds on. First, spread bird seed out on your plate or your dish. Use your knife to spread the peanut butter on the outside of your toilet paper roll. It is totally okay to lick peanut butter off your fingers. Gently press your toilet paper roll onto the bird seed, moving it around so the seeds stick. Put the string through your tube and simply tie a knot. Hang it in your yard for birds to enjoy. An extra activity you can do is to encourage your children to observe the different birds that use your feeder. Have the children draw pictures and take notes in a nature journal.